In the previous video, we learned about thin layer chromatography. We got to know how many dyes are present in this mixture using TLC, but we're still unable to separate them on a large scale. In this video, we will be separating the dyes using a different type of chromatography called the column chromatography. The difference between column chromatography and TLC is that in column chromatography, the mobile phase moves in the downward direction, whereas in TLC, it moves in the upward direction. Hence, TLC results in the accumulation of more polar compound at the base, and in column chromatography, the compound get eluted in the increasing order of polarity. For this experiment, we will need first of all, clamp a clean dry small column vertically and plug it using a small piece of cotton. Now, let's make silica gel slurry using silica gel and PET ether. It is good to load the least polar solvent to the column first and then slowly increase the polarity to a suitable solvent. Next, we transfer the slurry into the small column and allow the silica to settle. It is recommended to keep an overhead of solvent above the silica bed. Let's transfer the dye silica gel slurry slowly onto the column. Now, we will elute the column with petroleum ether. Soon the components begin to separate into bands. Since we are working with colored molecules, it is easy to detect when a particular compound elutes from the column. When dyes just begin to separate, run the column with 5% ethyl acetate in petroleum ether. Let's collect the solvent in the waste solvent beaker until the color band reaches the bottom of the column. When the red color band starts to elute, collect the liquid in test tubes. Next, we will elute the remaining bands using higher polarity solvents. Then, we will combine all fractions that belong to one particular compound. We can check the purity of a separated compounds using TLC. This can be followed by evaporation of the solvent to obtain the compounds. So now we know how to separate the dye components from the mixture. Column chromatography is used widely in chemical industries to purify products on a large scale. We hope you like our video and learn something amazing about chromatography. Thanks for watching.